Do you want to manage your time more effectively and getting more things done? Look, I'm not going to do another app review of Todoist, but I'm going to show you right now, step by step, how you can effectively use this tool to manage your time to get a better productivity. Or if you have a side project going on, a passion project, so you can manage that one much more effectively with your small team. Or even you are working for a company and you want to manage your time and your day-to-day projects better, all you could do by using this one tool, Todoist. You want to know how? Let's get started.
Yeah.
Sure.
Make it happen.
Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these studio leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
First thing first, login is super simple. You basically just go to todoist.com and you just log in with your Gmail account with your single sign authentication. If you don't know the link, check out the description of the video. There's a link over there. So now, first thing first, day-to-day basis, you're constantly getting a lot of tasks. So for this one, actually, you always click on in the inbox. So in the inbox is the place where you will keep having different tasks coming from the colleagues, from word directly conversation, or maybe your boss calling you, or even an email inbox as well too. You get a new task. So, or you are in a meeting and you're getting new tasks. So always come in and you can just write down the new task. Like an example, making the meeting minute. You just attain the meeting and now you have to send out the meeting minute. So when you do that one, the first thing first, you set up a due dates. You put the due dates, let's say you want to get it done tomorrow, 16, and then you don't need to put it on inbox anymore. You can actually choose a different project, which I will show it to you shortly. Let's say this project will be under digital hospital and you want to put it under inside to do. Now it's already there. So now the second thing is about, you could actually combine about your priorities. There's a priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. So you will choose it as a priority 1 because a lot of people are involved. And then you just click it. The task is added. So now here's a point, as you are actually, it has a dates. So basically that is already gone from here because you have removed it from the inbox. It's actually, you can always see all the upcoming tasks by just coming to the upcoming tab, just clicking upcoming tags, and then the 16 that's making the meeting minutes is already there. So that's the way you can always see and balance yourself what is coming. So now let's go back to the inbox. All the tasks you have are reviewing the PMO solution track. So let's say you come by and now you actually can click this edit. And now I'm going to put it on remove from the inbox because it doesn't really need it. Or maybe I want to keep that one. I put a due dates. Let's say I'm going to plan it for 17. And then I'm going to put the priority number 2 and then press save. So that's how I removed this one out from allocated already. It's already there, priority 2. And already been there too. So now probably I want to get rid of it of this inbox as well because I don't want to see them in inbox because I only want to see the tasks which need to be get it done. So I want to be put in it. So what I'm going to do, my project's going on here. So which I'm going to do it is in progress on that one. So select that one, save, bam. So that's why the task which you don't have any assigned to your projects, that will be always stay in your inbox because that need to be cleaned up. Because when you have any different tasks coming on, it's always come to associated to a project. So how to create a project, I'll show you in a short while, but that's how the inbox thinks. Your inbox should be always empty, and the things when it's come to you, the first it should go to the inbox, and then you organize and put it back, and then get it done on the journey. So input, organize in the inbox, assign your projects, and then you get it done, close. So now let's say what do I have to do to get it today? So for this one, I have always in today pack. So I see making a video of to-do list, which I'm doing right now. So now to do this one, I can just come by and I can do this one. And as soon as my task is done, I can just click this one. This video is done. Yay! One task is done. So everything I planned to do is already been done. But there's a very important thing. You want to see what is your load upcoming coming tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Like an example, let's say tomorrow. So tomorrow you can see there are two task I have to get it done, and I have another one PMO solution tag with 17. It seems like tomorrow I have more time, I can get more things done. So what I can do is just come by and hold this one and just drag it to tomorrow. So now I make myself tomorrow more productive because I'm getting more things done, and I can see from 17, 18 already I have more slots. So like an example, okay, so now let's say at 17 I can get one thing done. So I'm coming to the 17 RTS. So like an example, project program Thursday. And I don't want to have an inbox. I want to make it in my project, digital hospital. So I'm going to put an inbox. And so just get rid of an inbox. So now I put that task. So now I can see myself another heavy task of program review. I will be meeting a lot of people, probably half the meeting as well too. So I have 17 booked as well too. So that's why I can always see my available slots and what other things I can get it done on during the day. So that's the concept. Everything I'm coming into it, putting in an inbox first, and then I constantly looking what is my today, and I'm always looking the upcoming to assign my upcoming tasks to make sure that I don't get overloaded or don't misuse my time by underloaded myself as well too. So I want to optimize myself so every day I can get more things done. So that's the way. It's so crucial to doing an inbox today and upcoming. So this is a formula we have. I'm going to show it to you right now. Just show it to you. It's formed by getting things done. Very productivity methodology, and you could use that one in the Todoist that way to getting more things done. But now let's talk about the project. So now let's say about to create the project. One of the first thing you could do is just come click, and then let's say it's about video, YouTube project. So I'm creating into it. Let's say I'm creating a YouTube project. You can choose different color. Let's say YouTube is red, so I prefer to get it red. Let's put it on red here. I want to have a board, or you can change it to list too as well. So let's get a board. Board probably more interesting. So now, first columns I can put in. It's like exactly like a Trello board. So it's like an idea. I'm putting on to do, and then I'm putting on doing, and then I'm putting on to the done. All right. So now I have all this idea and the things to get it done too. So now I can actually add tasks directly here. Or I can actually add a task from the inbox as well too. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So YouTube project. So let's say I'm going to add a task. Is about add a task brainstorm. Free YouTube video ideas. All right. And now I'm going to do a due dates. And now here's the business. I can actually create a recurring task. So I want to do this brainstorming thing. Brainstorm every Monday. So what I can write down, every Monday, you can see this one, 10 a.m. or let's say 7 a.m. and you can see that option already coming pop up. So now I'm going to come and remove the time zone to local time, 7 a.m. and then all I need to do is just basically press head, and then it's been okay, brainstorm 3 YouTube ideas. So now I've created a task, add task. Bingo. Now, so now I have this one every Monday. This task will be automatically created here and it will be waiting for me in the today zone to get it done. So I have to get it done because it's going to be waiting in the today zone. And inbox can also show you also overdue task as well too. So you don't need to go somewhere else to find overdue task, because you will be able to see the overdue task and actually allocate it back by just clicking into it. So now let's say about YouTube projects, right? So now you may have some more people to work with you in YouTube projects. To do this one is about one of the simple way you could do it is about you could actually share your project and assign those tasks to someone else as well too. Let's say is about to do is about editing the video. So there will be someone who will be editing my video, editing 3 videos. And then so I have a task for that one, right? So what I'm going to do it right now, cancel. All right. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to come by, click the double 3 clicks, and then I'm going to share this project. And let's say I'm going to sharing to Nilay, and I just invite it. So now this is the person I have just invited already. So now what I could do is I just come by. You can see there's a click button here. Click here, and I can assign this person to this task. So now this person will be in charge to getting it done for me. That person is assigned. So that's the way I can easily have my small team to work with me to getting things done together, and I can create projects and assign to them, and I can always track what is to be done today. So they are being using to-do lists. So this is the task we'll be waiting for them on the day. So because I haven't assigned the time yet, so let's say I'm going to assign come by. So let's go in and assign a due dates. So let's say I'm going to assign a due dates to 17 So now Thursday that need to be done by the person. So now it's already listed. I can move it to doing. So now they are on progress and they're getting it done. So that's why a very easy way I can manage my easy projects, small project, my side project, passion project, or even a Hoan project so conveniently by using Todoist app. It's such an incredible app. But now some of you maybe don't like this color, the red color and white. We can have a lot of customization of things. All you need to do is just click on top right corner, and all you need to do is click the theme, and now you can have a different color. A lot of people like dark because it's good for the eye. So now you can see everything in black and white, and there are some few more options as well to getting things done as well. So this is the way you can very productively use Todoist to getting a lot of things done in your personal level, or even your project level, or in your passion project, or at work as well too. Keep doing amazing work thing done. We constantly sharing 1 to 2 great tips like this every week. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you will always receive the tips. And here's the one. You probably want to see the how to getting things done more productivity too. So I'm going to share this. Check out this video. Here I will share with you almost 10 tips about how do I manage my time or productivity. So go ahead and click right now. I will see you there.